Hey everybody, what is up? I am here again with y'all. Thanks for tuning in. And today's video is most viewed. It's court cam. Man spits on judge, then starts a jail riot. Alright guys, let's get right to it. Oh.
Next, we're in Paris, Kentucky, where 30-year-old Bass Webb has been charged with 2 counts of attempted murder. This surveillance video taken outside a Kentucky jail a week earlier captured the moment when Webb, a former inmate there who served 3 months on assault charges, accelerated his car and tried to run over 2 jail employees. One man was able to get out of the way, but one man was injured after Webb's vehicle pinned him against the wall. At his first court appearance before Judge Vanessa Dixon, Webb's bad behavior continued.
Last name. Dixon. Ah! Ah! Just for that, she definitely gets to, yeah. She ain't having good days on her days of judging. Let's get back to the video.
Judge Dixon then informed Webb she's recusing herself from the trial because she knew the 2 jail employees he targeted with his vehicle.
There's no one ever tried this case or had any further proceedings or had to see you for one further step. Set for the next hearing next week.
Oh.
Watch again.
Oh. He really just did that to her in front of people in the background, in front of the, I don't even know if that's his actual lawyer or that's the public attorney's lawyer. Like, he really just did that, like, with no mercy. Showing no signs of merciness.
As Webb literally spit on the judge. But this incident is far from the last time Bass Webb will spit in the face of the law. While waiting to go to trial, he and 4 other inmates incited a riot inside the Fayette County Detention Center. After being shot with beanbag bullets, then hit in the neck by a pepper ball, Webb whips a metal telephone box at a corrections officer.
If I were to launch this at someone 10 feet away, because this is capable of stopping that, does not mean that that is not readily capable of causing death or serious physical injury.
Webb was found guilty of 3rd-degree assault and sentenced to 15 years in prison. And for his attempt to run over the 2 jail employees, he was later found guilty of 2 counts of attempted murder and got an additional 37 years.
This guy got what's it called? Crime after 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 crime. It's like having too many exes, except in his case he got crimes with the crimes, hit the crimes with the crimes with the crime. He ain't getting out of jail. Oh yeah.
Bass Webb was facing a total of 52 years behind bars, but more disturbing accusations were on the way. While incarcerated, he was charged with the unsolved murder of an ex-girlfriend Facing a possible death sentence if convicted at trial, Webb pled guilty to the murder.
He said, I
and
can't
got
trust no
an
hoes.
additional
Might as well
50
end their
years.
life.
Now, 5 years later, Bass Webb is back in court yet again after being charged with the murder of a different girlfriend nearly a decade earlier. The cold case came back to haunt him after a jailhouse tip led to the discovery of the woman's remains. This time, as he's let in, he reveals a new sinister look that shocks those in attendance. A closer look at Webb's recent head tattoos reveals a demented murder hit list. It reads, those that must die, all judges, all prosecutors, all cops, the media. Below that, 3 rats.
This guy goes into the day when he has court, has tattoos that clearly says all judges, like what he just said in the video, the narrator. This guy is literally like of a person that doesn't give up, doesn't care in the world. He doesn't care.
Been scratched out, and many more, plus an expletive on the other side. Gruesome details emerge about how Webb choked his then-girlfriend to death, buried her body in a shallow grave.
Oh,
Mr. Webb, do you want to come forward?
When the judge asks Webb to come forward, he remains seated and smiles. Finally, after more than a week in the courtroom, the judge reads the jury's verdict.
You have found the defendant guilty of the offense of intentional murder.
Bass Webb is then sentenced to life in prison, with the possibility of parole after 25 years. Thanks for being a fan of Court Cam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss...
Oof. Ah, shoot. I had a pause moment for that because this guy just literally just. So what happened? What transpired? They said first he spit on the judge. So he did more time. Then when they start looking at his background, his felony, whatever, what else he got crimes of, he's getting more years. So he's not gonna get out. Then they find out he killed his ex-girlfriend. He's not getting out. The judge system is just, it's just some BS. I feel like they just letting the whites get an easy pass. That's what I feel like. See, if it was me in the situation, if I had an ex-girlfriend and if I killed an ex-girlfriend, they would have put me in a death penalty just because of the way I look. But if I was a white person, or if I was George Zimmerman, they would have been like, nah, get him 25 years of life. That's it for today, folks. And I will be doing a reaction video on the Nets versus the Bucks. Stay, what's it called? Alright guys, if you've been with me watching my videos, hit the like button and hit that subscribe button. Alright then, see ya.